Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to remove TikTok you may like suggestions on your feed. TikTok's you may like suggestions can be distracting or irrelevant. While TikTok doesn't allow you to completely turn off all recommendations, there are ways to reduce or hide them. Firstly, you need to interact to train the algorithm. Just tap not interested on any suggested video you don't like. Long press the video, then select not interested. TikTok will hide similar content in your feed over time. Also, open your profile, then go to settings and privacy, then choose cache and cellular data, and then clear watch history. This will reset some of TikTok's recommendation patterns. Now, follow accounts that match your preferred content, like and interact only with videos you enjoy, and TikTok algorithms will gradually show fewer unwanted suggestions. And go to Settings and Privacy. Then Privacy, then Personalization and Data. Turn off personalized ads to slightly reduce algorithm-based suggestions. And finally, use the following feed. On the TikTok home screen, switch from For You to the Following tab. This feed only shows videos from creators you follow, effectively removing most you may like suggestions. Just completely removing all suggestions isn't officially supported, but combining these steps will drastically reduce irrelevant recommendations and give you a cleaner TikTok experience. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.